Alright, Reverend Colonel here, and today I introduce you to my friends here. Yeah, Joseph, Mary, and the baby Jesus. Anyway, picked that up at Home Depot. Got a pretty good deal on that. It's the best deal I could find on one that was pretty good quality, and it's really good quality. The only thing is, I need a manger for them to go inside. Even though it may not be exactly the biblically historic type of manger. It's the kind of manger we usually associate here as Judeo Christian people in the United States. So, anyway, I am going to put that together and I'm going to use things that I got sitting around here to do it, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so what I've done is I'm just using stuff I got sitting around. I've got some T111 paneling, and I cut me two sides there. Those are going to be my sides. I want them to be tall enough that Joseph doesn't look like a giant, and then I'm also going to make this thing to where it screws together in this joint right here. I'm going to put some 1x material that I have and put these two pieces together. So instead of the 1x material, I decided to go with some leftover cedar that I had from some fencing, and so I could get this thing wider, because it was just going to be too small using these. It just looked like a phone booth instead of a manger. So anyway, and I'm putting this together. I'm using screws because, I mean, the worst thing about Christmas decorations is, where the heck do I store them all? And so what I'm doing is making this to where I can take it apart and pack it away in a nice, neat little package or box. So that way next year I just take it out and reassemble it, and it's no big deal. So, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, and it's a nice big decoration for the yard. Alright, so I got one side of the roof on. What I did is I built this right here to help hold up the ridge. For my ridge, I'm using a dowel because it's rounded and it just makes it better. For adhesion for my screws, you want to make sure that you are square right here. And so you'll square that up, and when that's square, then you know where to screw it. For your length down here, I got like about an inch overhang going on, which is about all you really need, because an inch in this scale would probably be like about, I don't know, a foot, maybe 18 inches, I don't know. But anyway, you can see where I'm screwing down into the bottom board there for this bottom part, and the sucker is sturdy. So I'm going to put the other side on. Alright, there you have it. I got both sides of the roof on, and I don't know if I want to paint it or not. I haven't made up my mind yet. I kind of like it how it is. So it's already got primer on it, so it doesn't factory primer, so it's just the other side. We'll see what the wife thinks. Alright, so here's my finished product at night. You can see I went ahead and primed the inside walls of it, and I kind of used a variety of some leftover spray paints I had to get a little bit of unevenness off color, just more barn-like. And I put a couple spotlights down here to shine on it, because it just didn't seem to be bright enough. And didn't have any straw, so I just took some stuff from my banana trees that had shedded off and put that down there just to give it a little more look. So everything came together really well. Like I said, this will come apart into a nice, neat little package. And there you have it. Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus in the manger. And I got some of my other lights on. Got my star going on here. There we go. Got that. And the lights on the house. And going on the swing. A few candy canes. Half of my candy canes died, so. But anyway, that's what I got. Alright, so that's how you can make your own manger that you can screw together and unscrew and put away into a nice little tiny neat package at the end of the holiday season. And it makes me think about things. That's kind of what we tend to do with Christmas. We get all excited as Christmas is coming and it's coming to be closer to us. And we get really excited, anticipating, and then we get to Christmas Eve and it's like, oh my gosh, it's Christmas, and we're all excited and we have fun. And, hopefully we're not just focusing only on the gifts. But then after it's all done, we take everything and we pack it away and we store it and put it away and forget about it till next year. And we need to be careful that we don't do that with the way that we live our lives, anticipating Christ and living for Jesus. We can't just get everything out and make a big show and make everything seem pretty and bright and fancy and festive. And then on the inside, there's really not a lot of content, and we just fold it up and put it away. So we need to live each and every single day like it's Christmas. Yeah, you heard me. Keep the decorations out. Keep them out all year. That's not really what I'm saying. But you need to keep that mindset in your heart and in your spirit that you have during Christmas, of being charitable, of being giving, of caring, of reaching out to family and friends, and all those things that you pay particular attention to around the holidays. And then we kind of pack it up and put it away, and we focus on ourselves for the rest of the year. And so we need to be careful not to do that. We need to follow Jesus' teaching, where he tells us to live every day for him and to pick up our cross and to carry it. And so we need to do that with our lives. We need to live each and every day like it's Christmas. And I think you'll find that you'll be a lot happier and a lot more spiritually fulfilled if you do that. So anyway, keep your souls clean and your boots dirty. This is the way. Reverend Colonel signing out.